Are you looking for the best baguette pans in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best baguette pans that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Hesanzol Baguette Pans. This baguette pan will make sure there will be better safety as it is free from harmful substances. It is in perfect shape so that there can be easy handling. Moreover, it helps to accelerate even heat due to the carbon steel material. Additionally, it lets you have a hassle-free operation as it comes with perforations that allow the air to escape. It provides you crisp and golden bread and has wide applications. Furthermore, this makes a perfect gift for any baking enthusiast and is suitable for everyday purposes. With this, you can maintain better health as it has a silicone coating. At number 4, Eparé Baguette Pan for baking. Providing you with many options, here is a baguette pan that comes in a perforated design. The intelligent design of the product will make sure that there will be fresh and delicious bread. Moreover, it has a non-stick coating so that there will be easy cleaning. Additionally, it comes with improved heat conduction as it has a high-quality carbon steel construction. You will also find a non-toxic coating making it an eco-friendly product. Furthermore, it allows you to clean it in a dishwasher and have a better advantage. It is in a perfect size and offers you many options. At number 3, MBDC Baguette Pan. This one comes in a 4-loaf design so that you can prepare multiple items at a time. It lets you have a hassle-free operation as it is in a multifunctional design. Additionally, the baguette pan is composed of high-quality carbon steel and is exceptionally durable. The product has better strength and comes with small holes that help to release air. Moreover, it has a non-stick surface so that there can be superior results. Furthermore, it lets you clean it conveniently and is suitable for everyday purposes. It is safe to use and can resist high temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 2, Lekue Mini Baguette Baking Pan. Available in a unique design, here is a baguette pan that comes with a platinum silicone mold. This is very reliable and you don't have to use oil. Additionally, it comes in a durable design so that there can be value for money. Moreover, it is in a roll pan design so that there can be better air circulation. It offers you better convenience and has wide applications. Furthermore, you can even use it in a microwave or oven and have a better advantage. It is in a non-stick design and has better heat resistance. At number 1, Chicago Metallic French Bread Pan. If you are looking to have crisp and golden bread all the time, then this can be the perfect one for you. This comes with superior heat conduction and makes sure there will be even beating. Moreover, the baguette pan is composed of premium quality aluminized steel and is very durable. In this, you will find a non-stick surface so that there can be easy cleaning. It has dual non-stick coating making it deliver exceptional performance. Additionally, it offers you many options and is in a perfect size. Furthermore, the product can be suitable for any family and allows you to use it for different purposes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.